Hello friends, and welcome to another beautiful day here at Sophia Kamau's TV show. Today I am here in the kitchen and I want to show you the proper way of making kachumbari. I was disappointed. Recently I was on a holiday and everywhere I ate kachumbari, it was bad. I don't know, people are getting lazy, people are quick to make a quick buck and not caring of the product or the services they are giving. I want to show people how to make proper kachumbari. To be honest, I was disappointed. Every time I ate anything with the kachumbari, it had that raw onion taste. So let's come here and start making the kachumbari. Over here, I have the very basic ingredients for kachumbari. One is onion, and then I have 4 tomatoes, and I do have salt and dhania or cilantro. So I will chop all these and we'll see what next. I will start with the onion. Some people like making onion rings, but for me I like these, and then they prepare kachumbari with them. But for me, I like making them into small pieces. So by any chance, if the onions are not done properly, you don't taste a big chunk of onion. So I can cut here again and here, and then now I will slice very thinly, as thin as you can. That's how I will slice this until I finish. My onion is done, and now this is the secret to a perfect onion for the kachumbari. And I think the onion adds very good flavor, but if you don't do it right, it's bad. So now the onion is here, and now I have to soak it with salt. I will put a whole thing like this and soak the onion, and then you mix it like this, and you will cover your onion between even half an hour to 1 hour to 1.5 hours, and let this salt suck up all the strong flavor of onion, and it will produce water. The next thing is cutting the tomatoes. Again, some people like cutting them into rings, and for me, I like cutting them into dicing them into small pieces. So it's up to you. Either way, as long as you get your ingredients right, your tomato kachumbari will be perfect. So again, I will cut this into small pieces like that until I finish. As I'm cutting this, I'm thinking like how we take some things for granted. Something like as simple as making the kachumbari. Most people eat and enjoy kachumbari, and then they go and try and they make with the raw onion, and then they realize my kachumbari does not taste like what I ate. And then you wonder how. So this is why I thought, yeah, I've never showed like kachumbari video. I showed it halfway in the middle of making my pilau video. So this is just for those who really don't know how to make kachumbari. Our next ingredient is the dhania or cilantro. So you can pick out one piece by piece, but I don't do that. I'll start cutting from the back end. The stems I will leave for cooking, but the back end I'll use the leaves for my kachumbari. And I chop them as little as I like them, because they will look good. Some people chop big or just take a whole leaf like that. It's up to you. It's what you prefer. We are back after 1 hour, and I let that sit. Look how much liquid has come out because of the salt. So this is the salt taking the strong flavor of the kachumbari. I guess you can see the liquid. So I need now to squeeze it out and wash the excess salt, and I will do that way. And just squeeze Squeeze and drain the water. You can use a sieve, you can use your hands, it's up to you. I will wash the round 2, and after this your kachumbari will taste perfect. Again, I wash this, removing the salt and squeezing gently not to mess the onion. And again, I will go like this, sieving out the water. And I think this is good enough. I will squeeze excess water. See there? And now I have my onions like that. Now that I have washed my onion and it looks good, I can even test and tell you if the salt is too strong. Still, you have an opportunity to rinse it again one more time. This is perfect. So what I will do now, I will just add my onions. And it doesn't matter how much onions you have, little or more, but because you have removed the strong flavor, it will be very, very good. So I will mix here. So one trick I can tell you, the salt we used to wash the onion or to remove the strong flavor from the onion was a lot. So after washing, the onions still taste salty. So you do this first, you mix all your ingredients before adding salt. And now I will put, I think I can't put all the dhania, will be just too much for nothing. And I keep stirring, and after here now, let me taste the salt for the salt. I am telling you, I do not need to add salt because the salt, what is still left from the onion rinsing, is good enough for to flavor my kachumbari. And there you have it. Now you have seen how I have made the kachumbari. Very, very simple and basic ingredients. So 3 ingredients, 4 with the salt, and we can be building up on our kachumbari, and I will show you variation of the kachumbari. So this is just plain kachumbari. If you want some chili, you can add some chili or not. And that's it for today. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Until we see you again with another beautiful video. Bye.